Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Introduction to Ethics. The word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos, character, and from the Latin word mores, customs. So derived from the Greek word ethos, which means way of living. Ethics is a branch of philosophy that is concerned with human conduct. It consists in a code of conduct of human being living in a society. So ethics is an attempt to guide human conduct, and it is also an attempt to help man in leading good life by applying moral principles. Ethics refer to well-based standard of right and wrong that prescribe what humans ought to do, usually in terms of right, obligations, benefits to society, fairness, or a specific virtue. So ethics is related to issues of propriety, rightness, and wrongness. So ethics values, rules and regulations, rules of conduct, ethical practices, and moral principles. So definition of ethics. McKinsey defined ethics as the study of what is right or good in human conduct, or science of the ideal involved in human life. So it is clear that ethics is the study which determines rightness or wrongness of actions. Will write, ethics is the branch of philosophy which is systematic study of reflective choice of a standard of right and wrong, by which it is to be guided and of the good towards which it may ultimately be directed. So, meaning of ethics. Ethics is simply the notions of knowing right from wrong. Basically, it means do unto other as you would have them do unto you. Ethics is often used interchangeably with morality, but they are actually two different concepts. Ethics not, however, the study of what people do or how people act. This is descriptive, not normative. Ethics is a normative about what about ought to be, not what is so. So, ethics, sometimes known as philosophical ethics, ethical theory, and moral philosophy, is a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending, and recommending concept of right and wrong conduct, often addressing disputes of moral diversity. So friends, importance of ethics. It assists in availing legal representation to all in the society. It sets out the minimum duties of legal practitioner towards his client and the court and to his counterparts in the professions. It spells out the minimum standard of practice, enhances public confidence in the legal professions. It builds loyalty between the advocate and his client. It gives the lawyer a guidelines on how to act in cases of conflicts of interest. It assists in the protections of the fundamental human interest like life, liberty, and property. So, nature of ethics. Ethics aim at a systematic knowledge. So, ethics is a science. Every science is concerned with a particular sphere of nature. As a science, ethics has its own particular sphere. It deals with concerned judgment that we make about human conduct. It deals with the systematic explanation of rightness or wrongness in the light of the highest good of man. Ethics is not an art. Ethics does not teach us an art as to how to lead a moral life. Rather, it helps us to justify rightness or goodness which can lead to the supreme goal of human life, and that is to realize the summum bonums of human life. So ethics is not a means to the highest ideal of human life. So purpose of ethics. Ethics provide us with the tools to determine whether or not we should do a certain actions and extent to which past actions should have been done. Ethics is a good philosophy to use of decision making. The study of ethics can help improving knowing and difference between right and wrong. In a business, ethics has become very valuable to organizational behavior. When the communicating with the other individuals, ethics can help individuals to use better, more positive behavior with one another. A study of ethics can teach a person about themselves and help an individual to relate to others who are different in positive manners. So, in education, ethics decide what impulses and the positions in children should be strengthened and what should be suppressed. So, ethics teaches how one should conduct themselves in order to achieve the ultimate good in life, not only for themselves but also for others. So, scope of ethics. Ethics is not a concern with the nature, origin, or development of human conduct. It is concerned with the ideal or a standard to which our conduct should conform. So, my friends, I think this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.